Hi guys, welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna introduce you guys a really weird equation, okay? A theorem. Like it's equal is negative no square root of negative I is equal to negative square root of negative I. That's how it's even possible, which means 1 is equal to negative 1. How is it even possible? Let me show you guys. So first let's solve this. To solve this, there are two methods. First, you can do this as, you can simplify this square equation equals 2a squared is equal to 2a squared I is equal to negative I. Because every complex number is going to be written as a plus bi. We square both sides. And this also square. And we also square negative I. Then, what we get is, so a squared and bi squared are all real numbers, but there's no real number inside this, inside negative 1, inside negative I, right? So the only possible is 2abi, and a, b are the same, so it's basically just a squared. Right? So we simplify to this, and 2a squared is equal to negative I. Negative 1. Okay, so a squared is equal to negative 1/2, which a is equal to root 2 over 2i. Someone says, why can't it be negative root 2 over 2i? Because any square root function, the answer are only going to be positive. You can never think that square root of 4 is negative 2, right? That's the same thing. Let's say you have the second method, Euler's identity. Euler's identity, okay? So we get negative I is just equal to 270 degrees in a complex thing, okay? So we use exponent property, which means e 2m pi I is equal to e to the 3 over 2 pi I, right? Which n is equal to 3/4, and this is 3/4 pi, which is equal to 135 degrees. And on the unit circle that you learn in trigonometry, then this is equal to negative root 2 over 2 plus root 2 over 2i. Now, let's solve for negative square root of negative I, okay? So someone says, this is basically just equal to negative this. No, it's not. Because on a unit circle, 360 degrees is equal to a rotation, right? So we can just add 360 to 270, and we get 630 degrees, which is equal to 7 over 2 pi. No, wait. So we can just calculate it, and just divide 630 by 180, which is equal, and we just simplify it, you get 7 over 2 pi. Okay, so we use the same exponent property. We get e 2m pi is equal to e to the 7 over 2 pi I. E2m pi I. Sorry, I forget. Yeah. 2m pi is e to the 7 over 2 pi I. Okay. So we solve it and we get n is equal to 7/4. Right? 7/4 pi. And 7/4 times 180, You just cancel this out, you get 45, 1, so it's equal to, you do 350, ugly writing, it's equal to, but you get my idea, right? 315 degrees on a complex plane, on a unit circle, right? So 315 is root 2 over 2 minus root 2 over 2I in the complex plane, in the unit circle, right? So, this is times negative 1, which is negative root 2 over 2 plus root 2 over 2I, which this is our answer. And this equal to this. Thank you for watching. See you next time.